Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB's Legal Beat. This is Amrita, your law faculty here at iExamB. In this video today, I'm going to discuss with you all an update relating to the electoral bonds. Electoral bonds पर मैंने एक पिछला वीडियो बनाया हुआ है. अगर आपने वो वीडियो नहीं देखा है, then do visit it. All the important details of the case have been discussed by me in that video. And also, don't forget to subscribe to LegalB for all such kind of updates. We try to connect the important news with all the laws and the provisions because ultimately law cannot be separated from society. So जो भी चीज़ें, जो भी decisions या cases होते रहते हैं, we try to inculcate that in our discussions through YouTube videos. So LegalB को subscribe कीजिएगा. And also the main thing that is relating to competitive exam preparation, we train you here at iExamB. All the online courses are available on our website www.iexamb.com. उस पे जाके आप सारे courses के demos भी activate कर सकते हैं. Check out all the details. You can email us and also you can call us on this number. Today we are going to discuss the next move in this electoral bonds case as a contempt petition has been filed in the Honorable Supreme Court against SBI. Why this has been filed? For non-disclosure of information of electoral bonds. A deadline of March 6 was set up in the previous decision that was given by the Supreme Court. Supreme Court had directed the SBI to immediately stop the usage or the issuance of new electoral bonds and submit the information of all the bonds that have been issued by it since March 2019 till date to the Election Commission of India. Because right to information is a fundamental right of the citizens of the country and uske violation ko bardasht nahi kiya ja sakta. This is something which is very clear to everybody. And before the upcoming elections, it is very important that this information reaches the masses. But to the contrary, what has happened, SBI has not disclosed the information yet. So इसीलिए contempt petition file की गई है. Contempt petition, that is when you are not following the decision of the court, order of the court, then a contempt action can be initiated against you. This is a civil contempt. Association of Democratic Reforms, also known as ADR. This is an organization. It has moved the Supreme Court and has filed a contempt petition against SBI. SBI was directed, as I already told you, इस केस के पूरे डिटेल्स मैंने पिछले वीडियो में डिस्कस किए हुए हैं, तो आप उस वीडियो को जाके ज़रूर देखिएगा. यू कैन गो टू LegalB प्लेलिस्ट सेक्शन. सो जितने भी परचेज हुए हैं इलेक्टोरल बॉन्ड्स के, वो सारे रिकॉर्ड पे आने चाहिए थे, बट इन्फॉर्मेशन इज नॉट येट सबमिटेड. दिस इज अ क्लियर कट वायलेशन ऑफ द कोर्ट ऑर्डर. सो इस पर अभी क्या आगे हुआ है? ऑनरेबल सुप्रीम कोर्ट्स डायरेक्शंस नीड टू बी फॉलोड, बट अब कंटेम्प्ट एक्शन इनिशिएट कर दिया गया है. कंटेम्प्ट इज समथिंग civil contempt, as I told you, it is a civil contempt in nature and this will be listed for hearing soon. But इसके साथ ही SBI ने एक और एक application move किया है and in that application they have requested for more time to furnish such information. They say that it is practically very difficult to trace all the donors' details because we have kept it very confidential. The donor details needs to be checked out and traced out and it is huge in number since 2019 till today. So इसको trace करना practically काफ़ी difficult है and it is not possible to be done in 3 weeks. This is what they have contended in their application and they have sought time up till June 30. This is what they have mentioned in the application. अब इस चीज़ को काफ़ी ज़्यादा hype किया गया है, काफ़ी ज़्यादा इस पर डिस्कशंस हो रहे हैं एंड petition, contempt petition has clearly mentioned even the number of employees that are working in SBI. They have related everything that it is a political game and all these things are there. But ultimately, being the law students, we have to understand both the aspects and we have to know what is actually going on. And yes, we will be waiting what the decision is being passed by the Supreme Court. Right to information and participatory democracy. These are at stake according to this petition that has been passed by ADR. उन्होंने कहा है that right to information and participatory democracy बहुत important है and co-related concepts है. So अगर हम इन दोनों concepts को relate करें and इससे अगर हम current situation के ऊपर ध्यान रखें कि जो कि इलेक्शंस अभी अपकमिंग इलेक्शंस है, सो उससे पहले अगर ये इन्फॉर्मेशन पब्लिश नहीं होती है, डज नॉट रीच द मासेस, देन दैट कैन अफेक्ट द पार्टिसिपेशन ऑफ द पीपल, देयर वोटिंग एंड एवरीथिंग इज डिपेंडेंट ऑन दिस information somewhere or the other. So that will be at stake, and good governance we cannot ensure then. This is the statement that is mentioned in the petition of ADR. Any form of anonymity in the political party's finances goes against the essence of participatory democracy and people's right to know, which is enshrined under Article 19(1)(a) of the Indian Constitution. It is recognized as a fundamental right. So, availability of information about the electoral bonds will give voters a chance to truly inspect, express and decide their choices. So, if this is affected, then the elections will lose their sanctity. This is what is the problem, and this is actually a serious problem. So let us see what the Honorable Supreme Court decides, and we will be back on this discussion again in a subsequent video. This matter is listed for hearing before the court on March 11 itself. Till then, don't forget to subscribe to YouTube channel Legal Bee. Koi bhi queries ho, you can reach out to us even by writing to us in the comment section of this video. Thank you everybody. Have a nice day.